10 Health Benefits of Garlic. Garlic is a plant in the onion family that has been used as a food and medicine for centuries. Allium sativum, or garlic, is native to Central Asia and has been cultivated for over 5,000 years. It was used by the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans for its health benefits. Garlic was introduced to North America by European settlers in the 1600s. The science behind garlic, how it works. When it comes to garlic, there is more than meets the eye. This pungent ingredient has a long history of being used for its medicinal properties. But how does garlic actually work? Modern science has shown that garlic is effective in preventing and treating a number of conditions. The active ingredient in garlic, allicin, is responsible for most of its health benefits. Allicin is created when garlic cloves are chopped or crushed. And it's this compound that gives garlic its distinctive smell. Allicin has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. It can help to fight off infections and boost the immune system. Garlic is also a natural blood thinner, which can help to prevent heart disease and stroke. To get the most health benefits from garlic, it is best to eat it raw or lightly cooked. Garlic supplements are also available in capsules or tablets. Here are 10 health benefits of garlic that are backed by science. 10. Garlic is full of antioxidants. Did you know that garlic is full of antioxidants? That's right, this delicious and versatile ingredient is packed with nutrients that can help your body fight off free radicals. What are free radicals, you ask? They're unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to inflammation and disease. But don't worry, garlic to the rescue. The antioxidants in garlic can help neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Garlic is also a great source of vitamin C and B6, both of which are important for a healthy immune system. So next time you're looking for a way to boost your health, reach for the garlic. 9. Garlic can help lower blood pressure. If you are looking for a way to help lower your blood pressure, you may want to consider adding garlic to your diet. Garlic has been shown to be effective in helping to lower blood pressure. One study showed that those who ate garlic had a significant reduction in their systolic blood pressure. Garlic is thought to help lower blood pressure by helping to reduce inflammation and improving circulation. Including garlic in your diet is easy. You can add it to stir fries, soups, and pasta dishes. You can also take garlic supplements. 8. Garlic can improve cholesterol levels. A new study has found that garlic can improve cholesterol levels. The study, which was conducted by the University of California, Los Angeles, found that garlic can help to lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and raise HDL, good, cholesterol. The study looked at the effect of garlic on a group of people with high cholesterol. The participants were given either a placebo or a garlic supplement for 12 weeks. At the end of the study, the participants who had taken the garlic supplement had significantly lower LDL cholesterol levels than those who had taken the placebo. This is not the first time that garlic has been shown to have a positive effect on cholesterol levels. A number of previous studies have also found that garlic can help to lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your cholesterol levels, add some garlic to your diet. 7. Garlic can help prevent dementia, Alzheimer's disease. There is no one silver bullet for preventing dementia or Alzheimer's disease. However, adding garlic to your diet may help reduce your risk. A recent study found that people who ate a dietary supplement containing garlic were less likely to develop dementia than those who did not. Garlic has been shown to have many health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving heart health. While more research is needed to confirm the link between garlic and reduced risk of dementia, it is clear that this simple food can have a big impact on your overall health. So, add some garlic to your next meal and enjoy the flavor and the potential health benefits. 6. Garlic can help prevent blood clots. It's no secret that garlic can add flavor to just about any dish. But did you know that this humble ingredient can also help prevent blood clots? That's right, according to a new study, garlic can help keep your blood flowing smoothly. The research, which was published in the journal PLOS One, found that garlic extract was effective in preventing the formation of clots in laboratory conditions. So how does garlic work its magic? The answer lies in its ability to inhibit an enzyme known as thrombin. This enzyme plays a key role in the clotting process. So by inhibiting it, garlic can help keep clots from forming. If you're looking for a way to keep your heart healthy and your blood flowing freely, add some garlic to your next meal. 5. Garlic can help control diabetes. Garlic is a popular ingredient in many dishes, but it also has health benefits. One of those benefits is that garlic can help control diabetes. There are 2 types of diabetes, and both can be controlled with diet and medication. But garlic can also help. A study in China found that people who ate more than 6 cloves of garlic a day had a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those who ate less than 1 clove a day. The compounds in garlic may help to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. So if you have diabetes, including garlic in your diet may help to control your condition. 4. Garlic can protect against certain cancers, though more research is needed. Some studies suggest that garlic can protect against certain cancers. One study of over 1,200 people found that those who ate the most garlic had a lower risk of stomach cancer. Garlic may help protect against cancer by fighting inflammation and boosting the immune system. It's also thought to contain compounds that can kill cancerous cells and prevent them from multiplying. If you're interested in adding garlic to your diet to help reduce your cancer risk, you can find it fresh, frozen, or jarred at most grocery stores. Just be sure to add it to your meals early on in the cooking process so that it retains its health-promoting properties. 3. Garlic can aid in detoxification. Garlic is a powerful detoxifier. Allicin, a sulfur compound found in garlic, can help to protect the liver and remove toxins from the body. Garlic can also help to increase circulation and promote sweating, which can help to flush toxins from the body. Adding garlic to your diet is a simple way to support your body's natural detoxification process. 2. Garlic can help strengthen the immune system. There are many benefits to garlic that have been known for centuries. One of these is that garlic can help strengthen the immune system. Garlic has properties that can fight off bacteria and viruses, making it a great way to boost your immune system. Garlic is also packed with antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. These nutrients help to keep your body healthy and strong, which in turn can help to improve your immune system. If you're looking for ways to boost your immune system, adding garlic to your diet is a great place to start. Incorporating garlic into your cooking is easy, and there are many delicious recipes that feature this healthy ingredient. Start reaping the benefits of garlic today and enjoy improved health and well-being. 1. Garlic can help fight against viral and bacterial infections. Garlic is a common ingredient in many dishes. But did you know that it can also help fight against viral and bacterial infections? That's right, garlic can help boost your immune system and protect you from getting sick. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Allicin is released when garlic is chopped or crushed. So be sure to include garlic in your cooking if you're looking to take advantage of its health benefits. In addition to eating garlic, you can also apply it topically to fight against infections. Garlic oil or crushed garlic cloves can be applied to the skin to help heal cuts and scrapes. You can also make a compress by soaking a cloth in warm water and garlic juice, then applying it to the affected area. How to incorporate garlic into your diet? If you're looking to add garlic to your diet, there are a few things to consider. First, think about how much garlic you want to consume. A clove or 2 of garlic per day is generally considered safe. You can also buy garlic supplements, which may provide a more concentrated dose of the herb. Once you know how much garlic you want to eat, the next step is to incorporate it into your diet in a way that's palatable for you. Some people simply eat raw cloves of garlic, others add garlic to cook dishes or use it as a seasoning. If you're not used to eating garlic, start with small amounts and gradually increase the amount you consume over time. Garlic has many potential health benefits, so incorporating it into your diet is a great way to boost your overall wellness. Garlic provides many health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. It also helps to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and boost the immune system. Garlic is easy to add to your diet and can be used in many different recipes. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. Try adding garlic to your next meal and enjoy the health benefits it has to offer.